Typing on a touchscreen device is nowhere near as convenient as typing on a physical keyboard. Tapping away on a slab of glass gives you little feedback aside from vibration, and the tiny keys make it easy to mistype. While there's no perfect solution to this problem, you can learn some shortcuts and tips to help you type faster on your Android smartphone. Since most people spend a fair amount of the time with their phone typing, learning how to text faster on Android can save a ton of time. So let's get started. One. 2 thumbs or 1 index finger. First things, find a good way to position your fingers for typing, one that works for you. This may mean holding your phone in both hands and using your thumbs to type, gaining speed through the use of 2 fingers at one time. However, many people prefer holding their smartphone in one hand and using the index finger on the other hand to poke at each letter. The larger your phone, the more the index finger method makes sense. Which is better? There's no one right answer, it depends on each person. Typing with 2 thumbs gives you 2 fingers that can reach individual keys on the touch keyboard faster, but many people are more comfortable with the index finger method and find it leads to less mistakes. Give both a try to see which works best for you. Consider the orientation of your phone here. In landscape mode, using 2 fingers may work best to cover the wide keyboard. In portrait mode, using a single index finger may work best. It's a smaller surface area, so you won't have to move your index finger very far. 2. Download an alternate keyboard. The default keyboard on your Android phone is not always the greatest choice, especially if you need to text quickly. Some default keyboards may make you more prone to making mistakes that autocorrect may not always notice. Fortunately, there are a lot of other great Android keyboards to try. Here are some worthy alternatives that can help you learn how to type faster. 1. Gboard keyboard. Gboard is one of the most well-known Android keyboards since it's made by Google. Not only does it allow for glide typing, voice typing, gesture controls, and seamless multilingual typing, but it also supports emoji predictions. 2. SwiftKey keyboard. SwiftKey has been around for a long time, and it boasts highly accurate text prediction and swipe typing. It also offers emoji suggestions and helps you with multilingual autocorrection across 300+ languages. 3. FlexC keyboard. FlexC prides itself on providing powerful text predictions and more natural gesture typing. It's no wonder that a longtime FlexC user broke the Guinness World Record for fastest mobile typing. Personally, I prefer SwiftKey keyboard. I find that its autocorrect catches more of my mistakes, and the AI-powered text prediction helps you select words and phrases that you're actually about to type. 3. Use Google Voice Typing. If you want to avoid mobile typing altogether, you can enter text quickly by talking into your phone. Android comes with Google Voice Typing pre-installed. This accurate voice-to-text feature comes in handy as long as you can speak clearly into the microphone. To access it on Gboard, tap the microphone icon on your keyboard. Other keyboards might have a similar key. If not, you can manually switch your keyboard to Google Voice Typing by tapping the keyboard icon that appears at the bottom right when typing. 4. Practice with typing games on Android. No matter what Android keyboard tips you use, your own typing speed might be a bottleneck. Here are some great Android games you can play to practice to typing and have fun simultaneously. 1. Z-Type. Z-Type is a fun action game that helps you improve your typing skills. Each letter you type shoots off a plasma bullet into the enemy's ships, so you need to type really fast. 2. Typing Master. Typing Master features words engraved on bricks that fall down from the top in the style of Tetris. Your aim is to type those words quickly and accurately before the brick hits the ground. 5. Swipe to type and third-party keyboards. Swipe to type keyboards originated on Android with Swipe, but this feature has now spread to iPhones thanks to iOS 8. Its support for third-party keyboards. When using this method of typing, you place your finger on the keyboard, draw it over the letters of the word you want to type, and then release. For example, if you wanted to type dog, you'd place your finger on the letter D, move it to the letter O, move it to the letter G, and then lift it. Repeat this process and you're swiping to type entire sentences and messages. This is possible on Android with the default Google keyboard, the original Swype keyboard, SwiftKey with the SwiftKey Flow feature, and probably other keyboards. The standard iPhone keyboard doesn't have this built in, but you can now install a keyboard like Swype or SwiftKey from the App Store, and use it to get this feature on an iPhone. Hopefully, you'll take advantage of these tips to learn how to type faster on your mobile device. Whether you use Gboard, SwiftKey, or another third-party keyboard app, typing on Android becomes a lot quicker once you master these tricks. Do you have any questions about this video? Let me know down below. If you liked this video, please consider subscribe. Otherwise, see you next time.